Okay, let's do this unboxing. I'm so excited. So Colourpop just released their wine and only collection, and I picked up a couple of things. We have the palette, this wine and only palette right here, and I'm excited for this. Like, we are going to do a dramatic wine, smoky eye, like sultry. It's gonna be fantastic. I'm so excited for this. I also picked up, because I didn't have one of these in my collection, believe it or not, but this is Wine Not. So cute. This is from Colourpop, and this is a liquid lip liner, and this is a wine shade in a liquid liner, right? Amazing. So I'm excited. We're gonna use that. And also I picked up this one, and this is the Creme Gel Color Liner from Colourpop, and this is the color Joyrider, and this is their cream eyeliner, and it's a wine color. So yes, it's gonna be wine, it's gonna be luxurious, it's gonna be sultry, it's gonna be fantastic. All right guys, let's get into it. Alright, so let's unbox this wine and only palette. I'm super excited for this. Don't need the box. This is the palette. This is so cute. Love the packaging. Colourpop does not ever do me wrong with their eyeshadows. Okay, so we have a little piece of foam. Okay, that is beautiful. Can you guys see that? That is stunning. Love that. Okay, so this is the color Wine Not, and this is a liquid liner from Colourpop. So I've actually never tried Colourpop's liquid liners, so this will be first for that too. This is so cute. Love this packaging. That's awesome. Okay, so it's actually just a really great pointy liner. Let's test this out. Oh, that's fantastic. Like, you can go thick or thin. Love that. Love the color. This is going to be so much fun. All right, and then this one here is the cream liner, and this is also in an amazing burgundy shade. So this is it here. This says Colourpop. This feels like glass packaging, so I like that a lot. So we're gonna open this up, and this is our burgundy wine color gel liner. I can't wait to get into this. This looks amazing. So I'm gonna go in and apply shadow shields just to protect the makeup that I've already applied under my eyes, because we don't want to ruin that brightening effect. So I'm not actually trying to use the shadow shield for the line to give this look definition, because I'm actually going to smoke it out quite a bit. So I've actually lowered it quite a bit here, and that's completely fine. This is mostly just to protect the makeup that I already have. We don't want to ruin that light glowy effect. So I'm going to go in and start this look with a number 6 brush from BH Cosmetics to apply color to my transition area. To start off this look, to add the color to my transition area, I'm actually going to start with this color right here in the upper center. Tap that off. That is stunning. So pigmented. Absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so now that we have our color in our transition shade, I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and this is a 283 from MAC. Okay, so I want this to be dark and deep and sultry and really smoked out, like heavenly goddess. It's giving me all that and more. Like, this look is going to be everything. I'm going to go in with this one right here in the middle. Okay, this is going to be dark. Ooh, so good. Okay, tap that off. So I'm actually going to apply that color down, probably right here in the center of the lid. That color is beautiful. I'm just going to dip in. We're going to add a little bit more pigment to the center of the lid. Okay, so I'm going to go in and diffuse that color that I just placed down on my lid with a number 7 brush from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just going to start blending here at the inner corner, small circles, and then taking it small circles, sweeping motion, blending that out, just buffing it out. So now that we've got that buffed out, this is looking phenomenal. I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick up this incredibly smoky, and it's like a sequin shade. There's got some glitter in there. I'm going to pick that one up, this one right here. This is like a smoky burgundy burnt Merlot color, and it's stunning. I'm going to take that color on a number 8 brush from BH Cosmetics. Oh, this color is phenomenal. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm excited for this. Alright, there, I tapped that off. Can you guys see that? That looks gorgeous. I'm excited. I'm just going to deepen right here on my outer corner. Alright, to blend that out, I'm going to go in with my Scott Barnes number 62 brush, this guy right here. I'm just going to buff that out. This is looking phenomenal, amazing. I'm happy with it. To deepen this look even more in my outer corner there with this palette, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced smudger brush, which is this one right here. I'm going to pick up this color in the corner, which is this beautiful dark Merlot vibe. We're going to tap that off because I know this is going to be pigmented AF. This is going to be amazing. I'm just going in here and I'm going to smudge out that lower lash line with this dark color. So now that I've gone in and I've smudged out that upper lash line, I'm actually going to go in and smudge out the lower lash line, but for that I'm going to go into this first color. Yeah, I'm going to go into this first color right here just to smudge out that lower lash line. So I'm going to take that same pencil brush I'm just going to go in and blend that out. Okay, so I'm actually going to go in with my ring finger and I'm going to dip into this color right here in the left upper shade. That's stunning. Okay, I'm gonna take this, I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Okay, that color is like like that is amazing. That's so good. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more. That's phenomenal. I love that. I absolutely love that. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this little blending brush right here, and this is by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is a JH40, and I'm just going to blend out my inner corner. Now that I have that buffed and blended out, I'm actually going to go in with that same brush. I'm picking up that same shade that we just used, tapping it off, and then I'm just going to go right into the corner, because I've got claws, and just touch right there. Stunning. Love that. Okay, so I'm going to go in, repeat all these exact same steps on my other eye, and I'm going to also apply my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've got my mascara on, I went in and I just added just a little bit of that Patrick Star glitter just because I wanted just a little bit extra. So that's on there, just like that. Alright guys, I'm going to go in, I'm going to line my upper lids with this liquid liner from Colourpop, and this is called Why Not. Love the name, so cute. This is really amazing. Love this. The precision is phenomenal. The color is amazing because it's a wine liquid liner and you don't see that often. So I love it. So cute. Loving it. Okay guys, I'm going to go in, I'm going to line my upper lid using that liquid liner, and I'm going to throw my lashes on, and I will be right back, and I will show you the last product, which is the cream liner, which I'm going to use on my lower lash line. Okay guys, I've got my lashes on and this look is looking phenomenal. I love it. I'm going to go in now with my cream liner, and this one is called Joyride by Colourpop. This is it right here. I'm going to go in with a liner brush right here from BH Cosmetics, and this is a number 12. I'm just going to grab some of that product. It's really nice and creamy. The consistency is really nice for a gel liner, gel cream liner. I've got some color on my brush. I'm gonna go in, I'm going to line just under my lower lash line, and we're gonna smudge that out. I'm only going to bring this cream gel liner about 3/4 of the way in under my lashes. I'm going to repeat that on the other side and smudge it out. This basically polishes off the look. You guys tell me what you think in the comments down below. Remember guys, if you want to see more product reviews like this Colourpop one right here, let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely do more. I loved doing this for you guys. I think this looks stunning, sultry, and fantastic. Okay guys, remember to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe. Okay guys, live, love, and lip gloss. Until next time, bye guys.